Ladies and gentlemen, new evidences are rising every moment. Yes, so Labour Party, Peter Obi legal team gear up with overwhelming evidence to support their claim that Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, won the 2023 February 25th contested election. The presidential election for Nigeria. They said Peter Obi won. And you don't go to court and say, I'm the one that was right. The other person say, no, it's me. You don't do that in court. You come to court with your evidences. And at the end of the day, you produce, evidence that are what? That are provable, that the judge and, those deciding can see. And from there, they can take a cue from it and say, you know what? With all the evidences presented before us, with all that we have seen, we have come to this conclusion. Yes, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Labour Party and Obi's legal team gear up with overwhelming evidences to support claim. In a stunning revelation today, Labour Party and Peter Obi's legal team made a bold statement regarding the evidence they possess to substantiate their claim. A spokesperson from the team confidently declared, "You ask what Labour Party Peter Obi legal team have as evidence for their claim. Well, I assure you that we will need a Dangote cement truck to bring them to the appearance in court," he said in Abuja. "When you ask these things, you will know that we are not coming to court to joke." The magnitude of their evidence became apparent as specific details were disclosed. Labour Party and its team maintained in their position that they intend to present all the evidences, rejected the ballot boxes and from all the polling units as evidence. Additionally, they plan to present a wide range of documents such as appointment letters and tags of all agent polling unit material, checklist, and more than 50 other types of critical documents. The strategizing list of evidence is expected to encompass an extensive collection of documents, not to mention multiple copies of each. Observers anticipated that this trial will have significant manifestation of Peter Obi opportunity to prove he won, as well as the political landscape. If the evidence presented by Labour Party and Peter Obi legal team prove comprehensive, it is speculated that the ruling party, All Progressive Congress, may face several consequences. Some conjecture that the APC might just go to greater lengths to distance itself from anything bearing the name Obi. Potential refusal to endorse or allow future candidates with that name to run under any party may be banned completely, because Obi is a man you don't want to contend in court. He will go on and will not stop. The nation eagerly awaits the legal battle that is set to unfold as Labour Party Peter Obi legal team prepares to present their mountain of evidence before the Apex Court in Abuja. The outcome of this tribunal will undoubtedly have a far-reaching implication for the political future of this nation and could reshape the landscape of Nigerian politics forever. So that na wetin we dey hear say where say Peter Obi it already. Okay, it already not be small thing, it already. It says so, and when it happen, this go determine the way things go on from here. Say because as we dey see the matter, so Obi don't look at he and a team, they say they get so much evidence, so they're not ready to go court, and that's why they go court. See, because for court, they'll be able to see exactly what what the matter is and how things are. Say for court, they'll be able to talk the matter very well. So now there we dey watch the whole thing, and they say Nigerians, make sure say everything is done decently and in order. Okay, so this is what is happening. Okay, this is what is going on, and why nobody should, think that the things can just be, just be left like that. No. Okay, so this is what is happening. Okay, this is what is going on. And Nigerians, you can see that by tomorrow, stay with us at Purple Line Media. If you never subscribe, quickly subscribe, quickly, because we want you get all the news, all the details. You go get every single thing. At the end of the day, you go see how things go be. Not be smart. You go see them for yourself now. How things go be by the end of the day, because we go bring all the evidence before you. We go show you, we go tell you what they go on, who they win, who not get evidence and all that, and waiting court talk, waiting court see, waiting court talk. So now the matter be this. We will bring you up to speed. Okay, so now what did happen with this? So this is what it is. Okay, now what did happen? My people, you can see for yourself, say the same thing that they happen again. Okay, and so everybody, must ensure that we do everything humanly speaking possible to change the course of what is going on right now, so that, truly, sincerely speaking, we can make a lot of difference. We can't continue with the same thing, okay, and expect a different result. So every single person needs to rise up, and we need to ensure, say, we do everything we need to do to change Nigeria, once and for all, and bring this country to where it needs to be. Because currently, right now speaking, Nigerians needs, we need the truth to be revealed, so that at the end of the day, okay, nobody will take that which belongs to us. Whoever Nigerians have voted for should be our leader. Okay, so we all must ensure saying that the right thing we do. Okay, so now there we do, as we hear say, many people don't rise up. Many people don't make sure say only the person will be say they feel say get the position, come to that place. So Nigerians, what do you think? Okay, what do you think? We cannot continue with the same thing and expect a different result. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.